Hello my friends. Today we're not going to do a review, but I am going to try and keep this short and quick. And what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how to make a Greek salad. Now I am going to show you how to make the real Greek salad, what we call Xoriatiki salata. Not the stuff you would order at a restaurant where you would get a variation of a variation of a variation. This is the real salad. This is the staple of almost any meal in Greece. Whether you're at a taverna, you're at a family luncheon or dinner, out with friends, and if you go out and you order Xoriatiki salata, Xoriatiki from the word Chorio, which means village, so this is a village salad, this is practically what you're going to get almost every time. So let's go ahead and get started. So one of the main reasons that this salad is a staple at every table is because of the simplicity involved in making it. It takes very few ingredients. It's always made the same way. It's easy and very, very quick. So you can start off with your tomato. Chop the tomato. And now here's the thing. There's no real science to doing this. There's no math. There's no measurements or anything. Just cut up your tomato. Make sure you clean it off. And when you cut it up, basically you just cut it up in chunks. Again, size is not a matter. We're not measuring here. We're just putting this all together. You will then, once you get your tomato cut up, now what I've done to make this quick and short is I've already prepped some of my items. Like for example, I cleaned my onions ahead of time so that I wouldn't have to do it right now and get tears in my eyes, and that's going to be a little bit embarrassing. So you're going to cut your tomato, you're going to get your cucumber peeled up or not. You can get it either way, it works just fine. Just cut your cucumber, again, chunks, no measurements, there's no science here whatsoever. Add your cucumbers in there. Now you'll get your onion. In this particular case, I just got a little onion, which is fine. It's all you need. A little bit of onion to go in there. Some people like extra onion, which is also fine. Again, this is not based on any kind of measurement. This is just made as you go along, so you cut up whatever you have. Now, one of the variations you will come across is some places will include green pepper with it, and others will not. It's not a real requirement, but it's an option, it's a variation. So you'll add that. What you're going to do after this is put in your black olives, and then you will add your Feta cheese. It's a great idea if you're going to buy Feta cheese, if you're outside of Greece. Make sure you get Greek Feta cheese. It always tastes better. As well as the olives. If you're going to get olives, try to avoid the Spanish olives. There's nothing wrong with them. They're just sweeter and they have a slightly different taste. The Greek olives are in saltier brine, and they usually cut better with the salad. Once you've done that, you're going to get olive oil, nothing but olive oil. Pour your olive oil on top of it. And then, of course, one of the key requirements in practically any dish you do in Greece is you're going to get some oregano, pour it on top. Salt this to taste whenever you're ready, and you're ready to eat your salad. Now, the nice thing about this is that usually, if you let it sit a little bit, then the tomato seeps in with the oil and it seasons very nicely with all the rest of the flavorings, and that is absolutely awesome. So you can dip your nice hot bread into it and you eat your bread with a salad. Now this is a Greek salad. This is a Xoriatiki salata. Now there are a lot of places that'll make variations on this. There's no crumbled Feta cheese to put in a salad. This is the cheese you put. You cut it in slices, you put a big chunk on it, or you put 2 chunks into it, whatever. Other places will put lettuce and things like that. That is not what you get in your standard Greek Xoriatiki. This is a Greek Xoriatiki salata. Now I know, because I've eaten this for over 60 years and made it for that long. And this is the main staple of a salad that we get in Greece. So there it is. Enjoy.